everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video will be full of more cleaning motivation, so if you need that today, then go ahead and make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Comment down below and subscribe to my channel if you do like videos like these. I post every single week on Wednesdays and on Saturdays. I'm starting off in the living room today, and I just wanted to give everything a quick wipe down. I am using my Method spray, and I want to say the scent is Honey Crisp Apple. Smells really good. It's my favorite scent by Method to use. So I'm just wiping everything down really quickly, but the main thing that I wanted to get done in the living room on this day was I really wanted to vacuum. It really needed to be vacuumed. I actually filmed prior to this. I cleaned out the second bedroom or second room. We call it game room sometimes, but I cleaned that out and recorded that, and I moved the dogs' cages out of the living room into the second room. So I needed to get everything vacuumed in here from when the dogs' cages were in here. I'm on into the bathroom now, and I didn't have too much to do in here, but I did try to take off the toilet paper roll that's already on the toilet paper holder, and then I realized, oh, that one's not empty. I don't know why we have two toilet paper rolls out that are both just have a little bit left on it. I have no idea. We should only have one, but I don't know. Anyways, so I am just clearing off the counter here, and that's mostly it for the bathroom. For the bedroom, I did just want to get everything picked up. I had a lot of clothes just on the TV, on the dresser, in the floor, shoes everywhere, bed's not made. I just had a lot of stuff that I wanted to get picked up and straightened up in the bedroom, so I'm going ahead and doing that now. So this little thing that I'm using is supposed to remove dog hair, and it actually worked super well. So my bed sheets are white and I have 2 black dogs. So one of them, my beagle Calvin, he sheds really bad. So I bought that because I actually saw another YouTuber, Amy Darley. I saw her use that little tool, and I think it might have been a different brand. I think I just got a cheap brand, but it really works really well. I just wanted to test it out because I had gotten it maybe a couple of weeks back, for like right when I first got my bed sheets and my new comforter and all that. That's when I had gotten that, and I haven't used it yet, so I just tested it and it works so good. So after loading the dishwasher and getting this area over here by the stove all cleaned up, I did want to take these blankets here that were in the laundry room and put them in the second room. So these blankets, they're ones that the dogs use, or the ones that we put on the couches sometimes as just little covers for the couches. So I wanted to get them put in here. This second room, I did mention that I did clean it out, and it does look a lot better, and I actually can walk in there. It's not perfect, and so there's still a lot of stuff. There's still some stuff I want to go through. The whole bookshelf, I didn't even get to the bookshelf in there because there was just so much stuff, and by the time that I got done with everything, I was just honestly exhausted, and I did not want to go through every single little piece of paper or folder or whatever in the bookshelf. So I just decided I'm gonna go ahead and just do that a different time. As Beauty and the Beastin says, done is better than perfect. So I got done with the room, got what I wanted done. It's not perfect, but it's done, so I am happy about that. I love these little microwavable macaroni and cheese cups. I get them a lot. I like to take them to work with me just as like a quick snack to eat at work. So I get them all the time because I eat them all the time. But the problem is our cabinet here, which we don't have a proper pantry, our cabinet is always so full and so messy. And so a lot of times the little microwavable cups will just be left out. Either in the second room or on the kitchen counter. So I wanted to try to get this a little bit better organized in here, just on the bottom shelf, so that I could fit the rest of these little microwavable cups in here. So I showed these little meal prep containers that I got in maybe the last video or the video before. I can't remember which one, but I bought them at Walmart. It's a 5-pack. I want to say less than $4 for the 5-pack. They're microwave safe and dishwasher safe. So I am going to actually be making some homemade Lunchables today, just as like a little meal prep for my lunches throughout the week. And I did want to go ahead and wash these really quick, so I'm going to go ahead and hand wash these. They are dishwasher safe, but I didn't want to wait to run a whole cycle of the dishwasher. I don't like hand washing things. It's not very fun, but I went ahead and did this because I didn't want to wait on the dishwasher so that I could go ahead and get started meal prepping. So for these homemade Lunchables, I used some Ritz crackers, a block of mild cheddar. It was just the Great Value kind. And then I used some, I want to say Oscar Mayer turkey. I think that's the brand of it. And honestly, these turned out so good. They taste even better than the ones that you can buy that are pre-made. The Lunchables, they taste even better and they're a ton cheaper. This was not expensive at all to do this. It did take a little bit of time, not too much time. It didn't take so long, but it's definitely more work than it is to just pull out the pre-made one. So it was really good though. So basically I just chopped up the cheddar cheese block into tiny little squares for each of the crackers, and I put 10 crackers in each, 10 little slices of cheese in each, and then I done 5 slices of turkey and just split it down the middle to have 2 halves so that a half a piece of turkey would go on each cracker. It was really, really good. Okay, so I am done meal prepping those homemade Lunchables. If you are interested in those or interested in the calories of them, it's actually about 350 calories for each one, so not bad at all. But if you did enjoy this video, please go ahead and give it a thumbs up, comment down below, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel if you do enjoy videos like these. I post every single week on Wednesdays and on Saturdays. Also, there are a couple more videos on the screen, so make sure you click on one of those to get more cleaning motivation. Thanks for watching.